Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so it's our first day. We're here, we just woke up. We're in Bishop, but we're gonna try our luck at Gorge Road, which is the power plant and which is
Pleasant Valley Reservoir.
Thank you.
And look how cold it is. It is 31 degrees out. We just had coffee and breakfast and we're ready to hit the road. Check out that view. Gorgeous. Okay, so here we are at Pleasant Valley Reservoir at the power plant, and we got all our stuff ready. Let me show it to you. So we got everything all packed up. We even have our bicycles, and we also have a cart where we're gonna set up right now. Alex is getting his cart ready, and then we're gonna hook it up to our bikes.
Okay, so we're ready to go fishing. I got the bike loaded, as you can see, filled to the rim. All right, we're ready for our fishing day. Let's go fishing.
Okay, so we're driving, or I guess we're riding our bikes. There's Alex, and we still have a few more bends to go. But look how beautiful it is.
Okay, so we made it to the boat ramp. We had a little difficulty with my equipment. It fell down and broke one of my strings, but that's okay. I'll be able to fix it. We're here now. Let's get down there and start fishing.
Woo, let's go. And look how still the water is. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is what they call the boat ramp, and we're gonna go down there, and that's where all the good fish are at. So we just made it, and it is just so beautiful out here, and there's a couple gentlemen already fishing, and looks like it's about to start hitting. Just a gorgeous day to be out here enjoying nature. Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do some Berkeley power bait and chartreuse, and I'm gonna be using a treble hook. Okay, now it's time to catch some fish. Okay, it's my first cast. We're at Pleasant Valley Reservoir, and here I go. I got some Berkeley power bait and chartreuse. Come on, baby. Perfect, just where I wanted.
Good shot.
We got a 2-pull license, and I'm putting my second pull in. Here I go. Perfect. Alex put a second weight on it and it went super far. Perfect. Got it.
Sent it way out.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Woo! I got my first one. I got my first rainbow, and on power bait chartreuse. Oh, I still got it. Okay. Oh! Don't you go!
Keep it away from my line. Keep it away from my line.
Shoot! Oh, honey, I got another one on my other line.
That's what happened. Put your pole down. Get your other one.
Okay.
Put it down.
Yeah, I lost it.
Okay, leave it.
Another rainbow.
Good job.
So I caught 2 fish with the Berkeley power bait and chartreuse. We're at Pleasant Valley Reservoir, so I'm gonna put it out again and we'll see what happens. So here we go. Perfect. Woo! Our neighbor just got a brown. Woo! Check out what Greg just caught. A crawdad. Whoa! This is the first time we've seen that. Nice. Good job.
Wow, that's really sweet.
Okay, Mark just caught one. Ooh, it's a pretty one too.
Just caught two. I got just released one on that.
Oh, nice. I tried jigging it for a little bit, but my arm got tired and unfortunately no fish caught on this. So right now I'm gonna put my power bait back out. Looks like Alex may be getting a bite.
The wind, it pulled my line.
It's been a slow day. And Alex just told me he has this fish collar.
It's a fish collar from Sears. Who knows what year it came out? But this is it.
And it makes sounds.
And it says, "Here, fishy, fishy, fishy." The fish come.
And check it out.
I do.
See? This is popular. Okay, and when you listen to it, it goes tick, 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 tick.
I'm gonna put it out. Here comes the fish.
Okay, let's do this. Watch all the fish come now. Awesome. And there it is. The Sears fish collar. TR7. Bam. Hey, I think I got it. Woo! Everybody likes a good pull dance. Oh no! Sorry, Adrian. Get over here. Get over here. I gotta do my tension over. Get over here. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Yee! Get. Oh, holy moly. Whoa, look at this. Whoa. Get up here. Wow, he's a heavy one.
Yeah.
Jeez. Whoa. Whoa. Do you see this sucker? Look how big he is. Almost 2 hand sizes. Dang. Okay, take a photo. Thank you, honey.
That's a nice trout.
Okay, looks like Alex is getting one. Heck yeah! Woo! He's finding them. Oh! Did you see him jump? Whoa! Oh! Okay, you got it, honey? You got it? Damn! I mean, dang. Jeez, look at him! He's huge! Oh! Boy, he's big! Oh my gosh! So Alex just put this vintage fish call and then the fish started coming. So I don't know if it works or not, but it sure seems like it. Looks like Alex may be getting another one. He's just playing with it. Oh! Yeah, I saw that, babe. Oh, yes. Ah. Okay, put him out again. Good job, honey. Okay, Alex got another nibble. Got a tug, tug, tug. Yes. Whoa, that's the same fat one. Holy moly. Get him on shore. Oh, that's another fatty. Dang, that's twice. It's the same fat one. Okay, Alex is getting another bite. Yeah. At least this time, I had the net ready. Because he's not getting away this time. Not from this. Wow. Look at that bald eagle. Gorgeous. Oh, now there's two of them. Oh, you got it? Oh, I think he got off. Or he's swimming against me. I think he got off.
No, he did. He's still there.
Okay.
I'm getting it.
I got it. Woo! I got another one. Nice one. Nice rainbow. You feel him? I'm helping you out this time. We got him! And look at this big fatty! Woo!
Big fatty, all right.
Get ready. Oh, hold him up for a picture. 1, 2, 3. Nice! Okay, it's about 4 o'clock and the fish started biting. Super excited. I'm up to 4 fish right now. So I have 1 more for my limit and then I have to call it a day. So really fun time and we'll see what happens. Mostly I got caught on the Chartreuse Power Bait by Berkeley. So definitely recommend it. It's nice and bright. Here it is. So this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like inside. It also has some glitter. So the fish really like it and they can probably see it in the water. So definitely recommend this. Okay, so we are about to clean some fish and look at those big ones.
These are some big ones.
These are what Alex caught. So he caught 2 huge fish and I got 4 fish, but 1 is big and the rest of them are smallish medium. But now it is time to clean them up. But unfortunately, we forgot our digital scale. It might have been my fault, so sorry, honey. But he does have this vintage kind of looking scale, so we're gonna try this out instead. So hopefully it's gonna work because we are having a contest who has the biggest fish, but I already know my honey's gonna win. But at least for sure the first day, because those fish were big.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna see, and you know, everybody is involved in this, so check out our fish. Woo! Okay, here we go. We're gonna start measuring. Okay, so it's our first weigh. Hopefully this thing is gonna work. Usually we use a digital one. I don't know. But that's how much it weighs. How much is that, honey?
1.5 pounds.
1.5 pound big one. And it has a measuring tape. Bada bing, bada boom.
15.25 inches.
Woo!
And that's about a pound.
About a pound. Nice. So we got 1.5 pounds. That's that big one. Woo! And then I guess you can just weigh my biggest one.
Use 13 inches.
Nice. Oops. Slippery fish.
He's about a pound.
Nice. Okay, so you heard it, folks. 1.5 pounds. Alex so far is the champion. Yeah, baby. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video.